A strong SIOP process is built on discipline, alignment, and visibility. But here's the truth. SIOP only works when the right KPIs are built into every pillar. Let me walk you through what strong teams measure, track, and actually use. A strong SIOP starts with a clean demand signal, one that everyone trusts. Here are the KPIs that make it real. Forecast accuracy by product family, forecast bias, positive, negative, demand variability, portfolio health, adds, deletes, transitions. When demand is measured correctly, your whole supply chain stabilizes. Integrated supply planning connects demand to capacity, materials, and people. The KPIs that matter here are clear to build in percentage, supplier on-time delivery, cumulative lead time, capacity utilization, inventory days on hand, and coverage. These KPIs tell you if supply can actually support the plan or if you're planning a fantasy. A strong master production schedule aligns production with demand. KPIs include adherence to MPS, schedule stability, production plan accuracy. Your cadence keeps teams accountable. Action item, closure rate, escalation response time, and visibility ties everything together. Single source of truth adoption, on-time data availability, exception visibility, percent reviewed versus ignored. When these show up consistently, SIOP stops being a meeting and becomes a system. I'm Michelle, your SIOP and supply chain strategist. If you're ready to build a measurable, KPI-driven SIOP process that actually works, subscribe for more Streamline insights.